to show you how I cook an Indian dish called chicken tikka masala. Chicken tikka masala was invented in 1970s by a Bangladeshi chef. Yes, so this is, before guys, I wasn't a fan of Indian cooking, but then when I tried this, it's so delicious. So you might like this, and if you find this interesting, please keep watching. Okay guys, let's get started by marinating our chicken. So we're gonna marinate our chicken, and that will be our chicken tikka. Usually I do this, I marinate this overnight, but tonight I don't have much time because I just done my work. And so, guys, I can only do my video during, at night time or Sunday because I'm so busy. Yeah, not busy, it's busy, but I'm, productive. Anyway, so, yeah, so let's get started. So we need 1 tablespoon of ground coriander. You also need 1 teaspoon, or it's up to you. I found that I love spicy. So I found that the chili here in Canada is not that not spicy at all for me. So I'm gonna be using 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Also, I have 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cloves of garlic minced. So we need 2 to 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, plain. Guys, I'm just estimate. So it's normal for everyone. It's really steamy, my eyes really steamy. Alright, so let's start cooking our masala sauce. While the chicken tikka is while we are marinating the chicken tikka in the fridge. So let's do this. And let's add in 5 cardamom pods. So this cardamom is really strong if you are not used to an Indian spices. So be careful after you cook this. You have to take it out before you eat because the seeds are very strong, just to tell you, but it's really nice. This is very important, one of the spices. Okay, so let's add in 5 cardamom pods. Then add 2 teaspoons of salt. I can smell the aroma of spices. Alright, so once it's boiling, let's add in our 250 ml of cream. And then add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. You lower the heat of your stove and let's simmer it for 15 minutes and it's ready for your chicken tikka. So our masala sauce is simmering, and as I told you before guys in my previous vlogs, that my secret for using, when I'm using tomato paste or tomato sauce, my secret is to put the sugar. So I don't really use white sugar, so instead I'm gonna be using brown sugar, which is good, better than the white sugar. So this is 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Okay, so look, right guys, look at the consistency. It should be thick. So I'm simmering it, and later we have to taste it whether the salt is enough or I need more salt. Right, so I'm using the big baking tray with foil. I know this baking tray is a non-stick, but then if I don't use foil, look at that. Alright guys, let's check our chicken. Our first batch of chicken. So this looks good. Oops. You see, there's still juice there. Okay, you turn it. Okay. Then maybe another 2 minutes. So let's add in our chicken. Yeah, so this is one of my special recipes. So I'm happy to share it with you tonight. So I hope you like this, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Okay, so let's garnish it with coriander leaves. It's totally up to you. You can chop the coriander finely or just like that. This recipe is for myself, so I don't need to chop them. I don't mind. You know, before guys, this is funny because I don't like, first time when when I tried the coriander for the first time, I didn't like it, and even the smell, I hate it. But then I keep cooking it and yeah, until I used to it now, and I love it. It's really nice. It's healthy. Alright, so that's it, guys. Okay, let's dish it out. I already pour 1 scoop. Okay, there. So looks yummy. My favorite chicken tikka masala. And this is perfect with naan bread, but I don't have naan bread because oh my goodness, I don't have enough time to cook naan bread tonight. So yeah, I can show it for you, and the other day I can cook it for you. I always have leftover because I only, the recipes that I cook is only for me. So that's the good thing, because you can put them in the freezer, or store in the fridge for like until 3 days. I don't have to cook every day. There you go. Alright guys, that's all for tonight. So that's my chicken tikka masala, and yeah, so I hope you like this video. I just give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and I love to read your comments. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribe up there. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and have a good night, and God bless everybody.